Good day everyone, welcome to yet another video. Today we have KAESER SM17 screw air compressor, built it in 2012. It's a 13 bar screw air compressor. This machine is 15 horsepower or 11 kilowatts. Also in good condition with only 23,000 hours on the road, on the run, and only 12,000 hours on the load, and nearly 3,000 hours still regular service. We have prepared a test for this machine today. So we are connected it to a 300 liters receiver. There are currently 0 bars in the system. Let's start compressor and see how it builds pressure from to 9.2 bars. Let's see. Yes, it's set to 9.2, but maximum pressure for this compressor is 13 bars. That's 9.2 bars in the receiver for a very short period of time. Now I will release some pressure from the air receiver. Yeah, this is a manual. Let's see how fast it remains. From 7 to 9. That was very fast. So the temperature is 77 degrees. It's great temperature for this machine. The compressor is going down. Actually, we can shut it down right away. 2012, 11 kilowatts, SM17 KAESER. Don't miss this great item. Thank you and good luck on your bids.